याद है? When we were in school, we used to memorize stuff. Funny now. कभी TensorFlow पे models train किए हैं?
2-hour long lectures? No, we don't do that here. More like real-time bug hunts with our cool professors.
Casual leaderboard war. Sounds intense, na?
But honestly, juniors के लिए it's like entering a battlefield, where these seniors are our generals.
Our best part पता है? They give solutions in 4 different programming languages, just to flex.
So is it dumb if I ask why my model thinks a cat is a toaster?
It's only dumb if we can't fix it. Let's debug.
Here, we don't cram.
We build, we break, we build again.
No one's alone here. Because your next big idea might need all of us. Yes. And when it works everywhere. BTech CSC in AI and ML at CTC University Mohali. Because here, ideas actually work.